You've seen a lot of people make money online and you've heard about the word digital marketing, but you have absolutely no clue what it is about. You think you know, but you also want to do it. Well, I'm here to clear that air for you today. My name is Lizelle, and it is my privilege to really show you how you can work smarter instead of harder. I know the holidays are coming up. I'm sure that you are fed up of working all the time and always having hole in your pockets because it feels like however hard you're working, the money is never enough. There's nothing left over. And this time is supposed to be joyful, not stressful. And that's where I was last year. And this is why you can watch this video. And after this video, you're going to know exactly how you can start earning an income from today. So I'm going to take you in through it. But before I start, I want to share with you how I started with my online business. And I started last year, this time in the busiest season. I started with my online business. And I started following a 2-hour workday. I never knew this existed. I started as a brand new newbie in digital marketing, and this is why it gives me such great joy to share this with you. You can start it in the busiest season and start setting yourself up for a stress-free 2025. You just need the plan, and I'm going to show you how to do that. This is the best gift that you can give yourself. So first and foremost, I need you to take a screenshot of this. I am telling you what I've been earning, but if you are not willing to plug into a 2-hour workday, if you are not willing to bring your pot, it's like you're paying for the gym, but you don't want to go, but you expect to have the results, okay? I'm teaching you proven strategies that has not only helped me make over 2.3 million just in 2024, but it's helped thousands. So if you are willing to put in the effort, you can do this. By the way, down at the link below, I share a free guide step by step how you can start earning from today, and I give you like a free link of a free automated system inside there that you don't even have to pay for. So make sure to go and grab it below this video. So I went from a stressed 9-to-5 to leaving my 9-to-5. I remember last year this time I wasn't looking forward to the holidays. It was a stressful time for me because I knew I was going to have to work because I couldn't afford staying at home. So I started with my online business. Within 5 weeks, I left my beauty salon that I was the owner of. I gave my notice and I said, hey, I found something so much better. Because you see, I'm a mother of 3 daughters. I'm a wife of my husband, Mark, and time with my family was most important for me. I didn't want to work all my life and not know my kids. I wanted to be there for the sad moments, the happy moments, but it made it difficult for me because I always had to work. So I got to master a 2-hour workday when I discovered how to work online, and I got my time back. I was able to build a multi-million rand business in South African rands, over 6 figures in dollars, with my proven online system because I followed something that was proven to work. So let's get into it. This is going to be for you if you are tired of struggling and feeling stuck and frustrated. If you want to make some extra income from home, like me, maybe you wanted to start just a side hustle. I ended up making my side hustle my main income. Maybe you're tired of your job. Maybe you are just wanting to get out of debt. You want to work from anywhere using your phone or your laptop, and you want to create something that you maybe already passionate about. Maybe you don't want to start with a product. Maybe you want to create your own digital product. We're going to get into that because I'm going to show you the different ways how you can do it. But before that, maybe you just need a quick course on what digital marketing is. It's basically just a fancy word to say I'm using the internet and other digital platforms to promote products or services. By the way, I share with you my free automated system inside the link below. You can grab that guide. It gives you more clarity, and I'll also share with you some wins of people that actually also follow this exact same strategy. So you will see it's not just one person. It works for everyone. You just need to be willing to put in the 2-hour workday. So to explain what digital marketing is, I'm going to say, imagine you've got a bakery, okay? This is the traditional way of marketing. You have a physical location where customers can come and they can enjoy your baked goods and they can make purchases, right? The traditional way of marketing is you print pamphlets that cost money, and you have to print like 200 or 500, right? It's local newspaper ads that you're using and maybe some word of mouth. You need to do like posters against the window, and then if you are a good bakery and you're doing very well, I'm sure people are going to want to have those recipes. So maybe you've got a recipe book that you are selling in store, but this recipe book you need to keep a lot of stock of because you need to do a lot of prints. That's also costing you a lot of money. The challenges with the traditional model is limited reach. You can only reach the people around in your area, right? You cannot, if you are doing cupcakes in your bakery or the nicest bread in town, you can't now go and courier that bread overseas, right? And you're also chained to operating hours. You need to be there physically. And inventory costs. You have to keep stock. You have to keep everything, maintain everything, the overheads, paying staff, buying products just to keep the business open, right? So digital marketing is taking those skills online. You already have the baking skills. Now, what if you could create an interactive online baking course? Right? You create a website where customers can sign up for those live baking classes, access pre-recorded tutorials, and join a community of baking enthusiasts. You're going to use social media, so that means no money spent. By the way, if you drop down the link below, remember I told you about that link, I've got a free guide in showing you how to be discovered with the use of social media, which is a free tool. I teach you how to make a 6-figure income without any monthly expenses. Amazing, right? It's because we have tools that we can use, like social media. Instead of printing flyers, you're going to use social media. You're going to have a website, that free automated system that you get down in the link below. You can use that as a landing page because you want to collect email addresses. This is how you're going to communicate with your customers. So instead of your customers coming into your bakery store and building relationship with you, they're going to come to your landing page and they're going to start getting automated emails from you that you have set up where you add a lot of value and they learn from you and they get maybe a few recipes from you. This is where they are going to build on the know, like, and trust, because people buy from people they know, like, and trust, right? So remember the recipe book. What if you turn that into an ebook and you start selling that through your automated funnel? That automated funnel is this landing page, and I've got a free one that I share with you down on the link below. The advantages of going digital with your business is now you've got a global reach. It's not just the people around you that you can service, but you can service the entire world. Imagine you make the best bread in town. Instead of couriering it, which you can't do because it's not going to taste nice if you do, you can actually sell that recipe. Amazing, right? 24/7 availability. You do not have to be at a store. The internet doesn't sleep. Your business doesn't have to sleep. There are no inventory costs. You don't have to keep a physical store open to be able to do what you love, and lower overheads because there's no staff that you have to pay. Unless you grow very, very big and over 6 figures, then maybe later on you're going to want to have someone help you with your social media content. But this is the power of digital marketing. So to be successful, you need a product or a service that is in high demand. You need something that people are looking for online, right? You can't just think, oh, okay, I like cupcakes. Let me just do cupcakes and think that you're going to be successful with it. You need to do research. And I show you inside my program exactly how to do that. You need to do research and check out what are your perfect customer looking for. A tip I can give you here is using answerthepublic.com and go look at what your perfect customer might be looking for online to see if you are hitting the right demand. The other tip I can give you to know if a product or service is in high demand is to check on Amazon and to check on the internet. If there are already these type of digital products that you want to offer, it means there's a demand for it. People are buying it. So then you are on the right track. You get 100% profit. That if you need to be successful. There's a difference between selling for a company and you only get like 25% profit. But if you want to earn good money, you want 100% profit. So you either need to sell your own product or service that you created, or you can buy a master resale rights product, but we're going to get into that in a moment. And then the third thing that you need is to automate your business. You want to work smarter, right? Your website, the internet doesn't sleep. Your business is not going to sleep. It's going to work for you online 24/7 if you have an automated business. Now, down in the link below, I share my free automated system with you that you are welcome to use. That system has built me over 6 figures in 6 months with using this business without charging me anything monthly. So it's an awesome way for you to start with your online business. Automating your business to take care of all the tasks so that you can focus on a 2-hour workday where you focus on certain strategies that will actually bring in the money. Learn attraction marketing. Yes, best part, man. You use social media to attract your perfect customer. If you know how to be discovered on social media, people will flock to you. You're not going to have to look for customers. You're not going to have to bother friends and family or phone people and ask them to come and support your business. You will learn how to attract your perfect customer. If you don't know that, I've got an amazing program that's all done for you, that actually gives you all in one. If you are interested, down in the link below. So just to let you know, the online education market is booming, with revenue projected to hit 22 billion this year and grow to 119 billion by 2029. If you have skills that someone else can learn, you're in the right place, because the education market is where you want to be in. So there are 3 ways that you can start earning an income from home. Number 1 is digital products. This is for me the best thing since sliced bread, because digital means I can have a business running 24/7. Digital products, you can either create yourself and sell it for 100% profit, or you can buy a master resale rights program. What that means is you can immediately start earning while you are learning how digital marketing works, because master resale rights mean you can sell it for 100% profit. That is how I made my first million in 6 months. I immediately started with a done for you system. It already had the product, it already had the automation, it already had my email sequence set up, everything. Remember, I said when I started, I had no clue what digital marketing was. So this done for you system helped me a lot. I purchased it once off and I was making 100% profit from day one. And you can too. That is the beauty of a master resale right product, because you didn't take time in creating your own product and you already know the product is in demand, especially if, like me, you've got a community behind you of over 45,000 people. Then you know there's a huge demand, right? The second way that you can make money online is through affiliate marketing. Now, this is where you sell other people's digital products through a percentage commission that you get. This is a great way to get started without putting money out there, but you're not building your own brand and you're not going to really build your email list. You can try and build your email list, but you're going to have to then have those setup costs in a website, especially if you're a brand new beginner. So you can always start with affiliate marketing, check out products that you do like and ask if you can be an affiliate, and then you can promote it. And then some people actually teach you how to promote it so that you can start earning commission. The third way that you can earn an income is by freelancing. Maybe you're a graphic designer. Imagine if you can create invitations, maybe in a certain niche, maybe all baby showers and weddings, and you can create that and you can sell that online. The thing that I see that people struggle with, especially as they start with digital marketing, is they know what they want to sell, but they don't know how to sell it. And that was the power of the program that I'm following, because as I was learning how to market, how to attract customers to me, I had a product that I could sell. I hope this helped you. You can go down to the link below, go grab my free guide. We actually have an amazing Black Friday special that's coming up, where we give you an additional income stream absolutely free. It all depends on where you are in life and what your goals are. So make sure to follow here. I always provide value and I always answer any questions. So let me know in the drop down below where you are watching from and if you have any questions, and I'll make a video and answer you on that. Thank you so much.